Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box contents of the board game Torres. Here's the Torres box and let's open it to see what's inside. And the first thing we see is the instruction in 4 languages in my case. Then 4 languages of these help sheets that quickly explain action costs and action cards, as well as master cards in master version of the game. Then the board, this is how the board looks. And here we can find 40 action cards as well as other cards. Let's see. Here are 40 action cards. Then master cards. Here are help cards that explain actions and costs. They are both sided, and on one side there is one language, on the other one there is the other language. And here are face cards. Then we can find these tiles which tell you your score, if it's 100 or 200. Here you can find 29 pawns, one of them is the king, and there are 4 colors of knights, and there is 7 knights of each color. And the last thing is 92 segments, building segments. And that is all of the box contents of the board game Torres. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.